Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change Node.js version in Visual Studio Code without installing on your system. So this method is super useful in case if you want to have multiple Node.js version in your system but you don't have to install it fresh. So for this, just Google Node.js, you'll be getting the official link. Click on download over here, and in the download you'll be having a option to download standalone binary as a zip file. So we are going to do it for Windows, so I'll just choose Windows and my architecture over here, and here you can select the Node.js version which you want to install. So in my case, I'm having the Node.js version as 18, I guess. Yeah, my Node.js version is 18 and this is the only version that I'm having in my entire system. So now I'll just go here and I will switch it to 20. So I'll just select 20 over here and just download the standalone binary. So this is the downloaded file, so we can just right click and extract files. Yeah, and basically we'll be having the Node.js over here as a binary file, and it's not much in size, also just around 80 MB. And what you can do is you can just cut this and put it in a particular location. You can just like have a folder Node.js, something like this, and just paste it inside it. So after pasting your Node.js extracted file, go inside it and again go inside it, and you'll be having the node modules node npm npx, right? So you need to copy this particular path. It's going to be your new folder that you created, node with the version, node with the version. So basically you need to copy this path, and here you'll be having this particular thing, set path equal to, you need to paste your path over here. So just paste the path over here. So make sure that you are pausing the video and creating this. It's going to be set path equal to, and then you need to paste the path which we copied earlier, and we had a semicolon and percentage path percentage. So we can just copy this now and go to your Visual Studio Code and go to terminal, and here you'll be having this drop down. Click it and open command prompt. Now just paste this particular command and hit enter. That's it. And now if I type the command node ---- version, it's going to be different version, node 20. Earlier we had the node version 18 and now we are having the node version 20, and this particular node version is changed only for this command prompt session and not applies globally. And even in global we are still having the node 18 version. If I rerun it, it's still node 18. So this version of node is only applicable for this command prompt session. So in case if you want to try running your application by different Node.js to check the compatible issues or to check what are the npm packages that get installed, you can just use this method. So if I close this now, for example, if I close this command prompt like kill terminal and open another command prompt, and if I run the command node version again, I'll be getting 18. But if I paste this set path and again run node version, I'm having 20. So without installing node, we are able to change the node version within our command prompt in Visual Studio Code. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.